In this video, I am going to show you how to use YouTube TV on any TV, regardless of the type of television you own. To get started, you'll need a compatible device to connect your TV to the internet. If you have a smart TV, check if it supports the YouTube TV app directly in its app store, such as Samsung Smart TVs, LG TVs with WebOS, or Android TVs. Simply download the app, log into your account, and start streaming. If your TV isn't a smart TV, don't worry. You can use external devices like Roku, Amazon Firestick, Apple TV, Chromecast, or a gaming console like Xbox or PlayStation to access YouTube TV. Just install the YouTube TV app on the device, sign in, and you're good to go. Alternatively, you can connect a laptop or smartphone to your TV using an HDMI cable or cast the screen wirelessly if your TV supports it. Once everything is set up, you can enjoy live TV and on-demand content seamlessly. If this video helped you learn how to use YouTube TV on any TV, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.